How to change the theme in the UpScrolled application using your mobile device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Whether you want a light mode, dark mode, or just want a cleaner look for your UpScrolled app interface, this process will help you out. So let's go ahead and follow along. Open your UpScrolled application first and make sure that you are logged into your account. From the home page of UpScrolled, go ahead and click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. From your profile section, click on the gear button at the top right. This will bring up the settings menu. From the settings menu, tap on App Theme under Appearance and Media. Now choose between dark or light mode, and you'll then be able to switch instantly between the options. If you want dark mode, which is easy on the eyes, select dark. If you want bright and clean interface, tap on light. You can always switch your theme from this menu where it says App Theme on UpScrolled application. So there you have successfully changed the theme in the UpScrolled app. Now you can enjoy creating and reading scrolls in a style that feels comfortable and totally you. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.